Hello and welcome to our yoga pose of the day. For today's yoga pose, we're going to be exploring boat. Now, boat is an amazing hip flexor and core strengthener, and there are various variations to our boat. So for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to show us our basic foundation and then building it up, verbally giving suggestions for the full expression as I'm still personally working on that one. So, to begin with, for our tutorial, you start your boat pose with the legs in front, about hip width apart, ensuring the sit bones are comfortable in the mat or the earth. Rolling the shoulder blades back. And we'll begin to bend the knees so the soles of the feet are in contact with the earth. Again, about hip width. I like to take my hands to the thighs just to begin with, and then beginning to lean back to find that sweet spot with the sit bones. So we're making a V shape with the body. So this is our foundational boat. Hands can stay here if you like. Different variations with the feet are as follows. You can stay here, lifting the heels. You might begin to lift one foot and then the other, where the shins begin to come parallel to the earth. Now the full expression is where you begin to straighten the legs. And as I said, I'm still working on that one. But if that's in your practice, please take it. And then within our boat, regardless of what you've done with your feet, there are different things you can do with your hands. You can stay behind the thighs, opening up the chest. Hands can come out, spreading the fingers, palms facing down, or maybe palms facing inward. Just exploring what works for your body best. Long neck within your boat. And then you come out how you came in. I always like to take a little bit of a counter pose, tucking the chin towards the chest, rounding the spine, and then coming back through your center. So we will practice our boats together, again, taking any of the variations that suit you best. And you might take a little bit of a exploration, you might rock, you might fall out of your boat. If that's yourself, just take a moment to see how deep you want to come back in to the boat. It might simply be that foundational V shape with the body. So, to begin with, getting the foundation with the legs, beginning to bend the knees, soles of the feet to the earth, spreading the toes. And getting your V shape. If we're going to take any invitations with the feet, beginning to take your version, whether it's heels, maybe lifting the shins so they're parallel, maybe fully extending. Hands staying behind the thighs, out to the side, or palms down. Spreading the fingers if we have lifted or released. Spreading the toes. Breathing wherever you are. We'll begin to release the hands and the feet. Taking that counter pose and tucking the chin towards the chest, rounding the spine. And then coming back through center. So that is a very quick tutorial and practice of boat. Please let me know in the comments whether you were able to lift your heels at all, or maybe take that full extension of the legs. I'll see you soon.